vaccinated, and only 30% of LAUSD students between the ages of 5 and 11 are fully vaccinated against COVID-19, and vaccine hesitancy is still common among the Latino community. But one local program is providing scientifically proven information about the shot to educate, and our Serena Sandoval has more. Serena.
As the first day of school quickly approaches, Raquel Diaz is making one last stop before she sends her daughter back to the classroom, and that's to get her fully vaccinated. Raquel hesitated at first. She was told children would be used as an experiment if they got vaccinated. She says there are still parents in the Latino community who still don't believe that COVID exists and that it's killing people. According to the New York Times, over the last year, 54% of Hispanics have received the vaccine nationwide. Raquel says, I heard a lot of misinformation on television that the vaccine will cause infertility to kids and they'll be used as lab experiments. That's why she's enrolled in a program called Mi Vacuna LA, or My Vaccine LA. It's where you get text messages with the latest COVID information that's all in Spanish. Raquel was even able to book her vaccine appointment through the program. Dr. Yelva Castellon Lopez is one of the researchers who helped create it.
Our hope is really to come together to address this need for information around the vaccine in hopes of empowering our community to make an informed decision from reputable sources and based on science.
During the pandemic, she and her colleague found that the Latino community was suffering disproportionately in relations to cases, hospitalizations, and deaths. So it motivated her and another Latina researcher to come together and find a solution.
We know that the vaccines are effective, and we still see disparities in the impact of the pandemic on the Latino community. So I think it's more important than ever that parents have access to this program and information.
To register, you can go to mivacunala.org. All you have to do is sign up by scanning this QR code. So far, Dr. Castellon Lopez says they've seen a significant increase in vaccinations when it comes to younger children.
Remember that vaccines are a great, safe, and effective tool to protect ourselves, protect our families, protect our children, and protect our community.
She says once you enroll in the program, you'll receive 3 messages a week. Raquel is on her 4th shot and says she trusts the information since it comes from medical doctors. She says it's very useful because she had doubts about getting her child vaccinated. But now that Raquel doesn't have any hesitation toward the vaccine, she can now send her daughter back to school safely.